My name is Robin Petgrave. I'm the founder and executive director of Tomorrow's Aeronautical Museum. Located in the city of Compton, we are a living classroom that brings aviation history to life. Kids come and figure out what they want to do and who they want to be, and we enable them to do anything and be anybody they choose. It tells the story of diversity in aviation. It preserves the legacy of the Tuskegee Airmen.
I think this school has done a great deal for the youngsters that had the opportunity to come out here and get exposed to something that ordinarily they would not have gotten exposed to.
That's what the museum is doing with the whole drone industry. We take guys who operate drones professionally. They use them in movies, they use them in search and rescue, they use them to do all kinds of amazing things, and they come down and teach the kids different applications of drones. The kids start to learn about this new industry that they can write their destiny. And so we find that this is an exit strategy for kids. They might have found themselves going down a certain path because of their peers.
I was in the streets. I hung around the baddest people, and they weren't influencing me in a good direction.
And they come to the museum and find themselves.
And every now and then I would come to the airport, I would just look around, and everything that happened excited me. I talked to Robin and I told him everything that I wanted to do, and he sat down and he said, you know what, I'm going to take you under my wing and we're going to make you something.
A kid can come here with nothing, start volunteering, doing their homework. If you do work, you should be rewarded. Anything they're doing to make themselves a better person, I reward that by making them a pilot. The violence stops, the gangbanging stops.
Our children need to be inspired to aim high, and that's what we intend to do here. Give them the opportunity to have wings, to go anywhere in the world that they want to go.
Just simply because of the fact you've been nurturing and tilling and planting an amazing crop of kids, and they're about to bloom into something freaking phenomenal.